The new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 has the off-road features you want, plus an available Duramax engine for economy and power. Is this the ultimate fun and work truck? We have a closer look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, Research, and then click Chevrolet. We make it easy to find what you want, fast. Chevy's line of ZR2 trims are well known for their off-road capabilities and good looks. Add the Duramax 3-liter turbo diesel and things really start to get interesting. This engine produces a peak 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque for all the pulling power you need. This is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system with a dual-range transfer case and an auto 4-wheel drive option for everyday driving. The ZR2 comes loaded with useful off-road accessories, starting with the tires. These are Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires in a 275/70R18 fitment. They're wrapped around 18-inch alloy wheels. Suspension is upgraded over the standard Silverado as well. All 4 corners get Chevrolet's advanced DSSV Multimatic dampers. These adjust to conditions on the fly for a controlled and comfortable ride on the street or in the dirt. For improved grip in challenging conditions, the ZR2 is equipped with both front and rear lockers. A standard skid plate up front keeps the undersides protected. The Silverado 1500 is available in a variety of bed and cab configurations, but the ZR2 is exclusively with a crew cab and a short bed. The bed here is lined, it has AC power, tie-downs, and lighting. The optional multi-flex tailgate makes stepping into the bed easy. There are also steps integrated into the bumper. In the second row, there's plenty of room for the crew. They even get heated seats and power options. Inside, the seat back is extra storage. Flip the seat up for a large amount of protected cargo space. Up front are deluxe accommodations. The driver's seat is leather-wrapped with 10-way power adjustments, heat, and cooling. The central infotainment system is a 13.4-inch widescreen display with Google integration for maps and connectivity. It also includes available XM satellite radio and wireless support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This screen also provides a nice look at the surround view cameras. You can easily select multiple views, including inside the bed. The gauge cluster has gone digital here, with an assortment of different layouts. These can be customized to your liking. Pick a drive mode and these too are displayed with supporting graphics, so you always know your configuration at a glance. On the street, the Silverado 1500 ZR2 Duramax is a dominating presence. You sit high with a commanding view of the world. The included adaptive cruise control with lane centering takes the edge off of longer drives. Recently, we drove this from Seattle to Ellensburg over Snoqualmie Pass, and we averaged between 19 and 28 miles to the gallon, which, considering this is a 3,000-foot climb, is an excellent result. But where the ZR2 really shines is in the dirt. This is a fun truck, with all the off-road tools you need for extended adventures. To learn more about the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Duramax, visit your local AutoNation Chevy dealer today. Get started at AutoNationDrive.com.